The 1906 San Francisco earthquake and fire precipitated a sweeping transformation in urban planning, building codes, and disaster response. Experts traced the quake to a rugged fault line, while planners like Daniel Burnham advocated standardized steel frameworks. Anecdotes include fearless firemen, the use of fireproof tiling, and the accidental rise of insurance underwriters as city advisors. Long-term consequences reshaped zoning laws, promoted rapid transit networks, and inspired the 1916 zoning ordinance by city officials. Ultimately, the tragedy reframed American optimism about modernization and proved that disaster response could drive smarter democracy.